Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to your Canva designs. Let's get started. So go to canva.com, sign into your account, and head over to the main dashboard. This works the same for any design, let's say a website, presentation, or PDF, as long as you export it in a format that supports clickable links. Let's go ahead and create a new design. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and use a dock layout. Click on this. Now this is the design where we want to place our links. This could be a link in bio page, a website layout, a PDF, or any Canva project where you want certain text to be clickable. Just keep in mind, clickable links only work on PDFs and websites, not PNG or JPG files. Okay, let's go ahead and place some text. Okay, now that we have placed some text on our Canva project, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Then, click on the three dots to reveal more options. Scroll down or just find the link and click on it. Paste the URL you want to use. Make sure the display mode is link, not embed. Then click on Done. Once applied, the text will automatically appear underlined. This means the link is active. You can repeat this for multiple links inside the same design. Let's go ahead and click if our links are working properly. Okay, as we can see here, the text on my project has redirected me to the correct links. Now, to make sure your link stays clickable, you must export the design correctly. Click Share, choose the download option, and select PDF Standard. Download your file, then open your file to make sure your links are still working properly. Lastly, you can publish the design as a Canva website or download it as a PowerPoint presentation. Both formats keep your links clickable when opened in the proper viewer. Additionally, if the links doesn't open or not working properly, simply go back to your design and check if the correct URL are pasted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.